as recommended by EFC, then the funds which will flow from the center to the states would
भाई
become
क्या
lower.
हो गया ये?
And lot of these states have BJP government. Now these BJP governments are expected to again approach the central government asking assistance from the central government to implement the scheme Jal Jeevan Mission. This is essentially, I hope you understand, this is essentially the update regarding the Jal Jeevan Mission that is there in the Indian Express news.
इतना जाम तो इधर लगता
Okay.
नहीं था, हुआ क्या?
Done. So MCQ number 97, consider the statements regarding Jal Jeevan Mission. It is a central sector scheme. Implementation of this will help India to achieve SDG 6. Ministry of Agriculture is the nodal ministry. How many of these statements are true? Do let me know in the chat section. Otherwise, just give me a couple of more minutes. I will tell you the key answer. Next article, as far as I am concerned, very important and from Indian Express. That is, in recent times, Mr. Donald Trump has expressed his interest in firing the chairman of Fed Reserve. He
अरे
says
भाई,
Fed Reserve chairman will be fired very soon.
इतना
In fact,
ट्रैफिक.
one of his important, or let's say his favorite statement is, "You're fired." So now the question arises: can the president of USA fire the Fed Reserve chairman? The answer to this is mostly no. I'm saying mostly no because again there is a divergence of opinion.
अरे भाई पूरा
Reason
थक
being,
जाता
please
भाई
listen to me
ऑफिस से आने बाद.
Listen to me very carefully.
इसका ड्राइव भी
There is
करना
a
है.
Supreme Court judgment that has been issued by the Supreme Court of USA, not India. Supreme Court of USA.
इतना
back in
ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक
1935.
लग कैसे रहे यहाँ?
Back in 1935, and this is right, basically Humphrey versus United States. Humphrey versus United States. What was the issue there? There was basically a member of Congress who was appointed to Federal
क्या
Trade
हुआ है
Commission.
मेरे को समझ में
And the
नहीं आ
name
रहा.
of this person is William E. Humphrey. And when the president, understand this, when the president changes, a lot of times the chairperson of these kind of regulatory authorities may not have the same viewpoint as the new president. Right? May not have the
भयंकर
same
थका हुआ
viewpoint.
हूँ.
That is, they may
और
or
उसमें
may
ऐसा
not
ट्रैफिक
align
मिल
with
जाए
your
ना,
agenda.
बस
In such
जिंदगी का.
cases, do you have the power to remove these federal employees? You have the power to remove these federal employees. In lot of cases, the answer is yes. But listen to me carefully. There are certain entities which are set up through Congress. Right? Shona, my dear, Humphrey is the name of the person here. Humphrey is the name of person. William E. Humphrey. That was the name of the person. The argument is the Congress,
बाप रे, आज रुला दिया.
through their powers, which is given through the Constitution or by the Constitution, have set up multiple bodies, will allocate the power, etc. So, right, when these entities are set up through the Congress, does the president have the power to remove these, right, let's say the heads of the entities? The 1935 judgment of the Supreme Court in USA said the president doesn't have unlimited powers.
हम्म.
Is it okay? Right, I'll repeat the statement. The president of USA doesn't have unlimited powers. You cannot simply remove the head of a, let's say, an unit like this or head of a federal entity like this just because they are not aligned with your viewpoint.
हम्म.
Just because they do not agree with you, you